welcome to ASC Adventures. We're doing an Aerobics Explore today, so come and join us. Let's go and see what we can discover. Yeah, so we came out magnet fishing. We've been out magnet fishing. So we've come and found this place. Oh, by the way, I'm with Shay, part of Discovering Dorset with Mad Hatter. Shh. Old barn. I didn't bring my torch with me. Is this the way in? Let's to another workshop. Oh, it's been screwed and sealed. Bit of a jungle out here. Is this an old farmhouse? Ooh. There's loads and loads of farm machinery and hoses and whatnot. Oh wow. I wonder what these are all for then. These old milking sheds.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we found an old milking parlour by the looks of it. Oh. Genus tail tape system. Old fridge over there. I should really start carrying my torch on me.
Yeah, you should. But then you're fucking
like 90s, 80s, 70s, some of these. Mad Hatter's gone and found some old bottles. Yes, these are old milking sheds, aren't they?
Yeah, so this bottle, for instance, that's an old one. You can tell it would have had the label on it there. I'll move it.
It's on the lid. Serve chilled.
Serve chilled.
Well, it's been in the water long enough.
It would have been
Seiko.
this one here through this cobweb. Looks like it's got, yeah, got that on the bottom of it, whatever that is. Probably an old beer.
Oh, just here, look at this.
Yeah, the old sink, I saw that. You seen the bikes and scooters down the other end?
No, I haven't been to that one yet.
Yeah, man.
Fucking hell. It's an opener.
Old stalls and stuff.
Old milking stall?
Yeah.
So this must be an old milking parlour.
Yeah, look at the old crate, look. Milk
Uh,
crate. Old milk crate, fucking solid. Wow.
right, so apparently in my haste I've gone and missed a couple of barns. We're going to have a look at it. And we got a main barn over there. I ain't going out today, he says. Did we come in here before? This must be like some pens. Back out into the rain. Oh look. It's an old crib. I don't know if it's for a baby or for a dolly. Oh wow. The Loyal United Sisters of Weymouth. Number 648. Wow. There's a Pippin push bike.
Yeah.
Little kids' scooters.
Ancient, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those bikes and scooters do.
That's right.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like they need to be saved, but they're someone else's. So.
Yeah. Can only leave footprints and memories. I don't know if we're going to be able to get to that one over there. Seems to be some kind of a cart or a pushchair, a very old pushchair. It looks like an old pushchair there.
Yeah.
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
Very, very old pram.
Yeah.
And underneath, tin bath.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
Long time abandoned.
It has, hasn't it?
Yep.
There's a Victorian buggy in there, or a very old one, probably over 100 years old. Oh, The heavens are really opening up here today. Just have a listen to that. Oh, nettles have gone right through my trousers. You alright, George? Did you try and find a shortcut? I had to go through the brambles. Just an empty barn there. No access to the rest of the barn there, is it? Hey? Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
I was going to cross over earlier.
I would say it'd probably be an old cottage, but I don't think it is. And there's the sealed door. But it's a bit odd though that there's only one door sealed. So yeah, out of everything, you don't look like there's a way in. Right. So there we go, an abandoned farm. By the looks of it, it's a milking dairy farm for milking cows and stuff. We've seen some pole barns and some really cool stuff. If you do like this sort of adventures, then please do come back and check us out again, as we'll have more adventures and try and get them out weekly. Thank you.